And this is a no dog island. Yes, you heard me right. We have often heard of the phrase no man's land, but this is a no dog island. And yes, I'm currently in Agatti, Lakshadweep. This is the smallest union territory of India and has the shortest runway in the airport, with only a few handful pilots having the license to land here at Agatti Airport. And me and my mother, after planning this trip for almost 4 to 5 years, we have finally reached Agatti and we are here to celebrate my birthday. It's a very beautiful place. The absence of dogs does make it a little sad, but otherwise it's an extremely beautiful place. The people are very beautiful here. They are beautiful from their heart, innocent, very nice, very safe place to travel to. You can just walk the streets. Me and mom, we completed 10k steps, the 10,000 steps goal. Almost every day we did that 8,000 to 10,000 step goal every day. It's so beautiful walking on the beach, walking on the streets. In fact, the entire island, as it is named island, it is in such a manner that the road is in between, and on the both sides you get to see the sea, the vitamin C. Yes, on the both sides it's the beach and the sea, and in between it's a road, and this road itself will lead you to the airport, and the airport is also constructed in a similar fashion with the sea on both the side and the landing in between. It's just awesome. So this is one particular morning when we decided during our walk to assist the local fisherman, and the resort where we stayed, it's Turtle Nest Resort. They had organized this beautiful cultural program. How I got their contact number and the other details I'm going to mention soon, so stay tuned with me. This particular form of dance looked very similar to the one which we witnessed in Assam, a tribal form of dance we saw in the cultural program in Assam, which makes you believe that unity in diversity, very rightly said. And people from our resort, other resorts all came here because it was hosted by our resort. So from other resorts, guests also came. And now about the details of the resort. I searched up the net for a long time. It was a long research. Not that I jumped onto any random number and called that person, no. And also I took feedback from other people who had actually stayed there before. And then I got in touch with Turtle Nest Resort. The owner, his name is Mr. Kamaruddin, and I'm going to put down the contact number of the owner and a few of the staffs like Miss Sara in the description. You can check it out. And this is the view of the resort. All the resorts, they have private beaches and the rooms are all sea facing. So I'm going to give you a room tour. It should help you decide like whether it is worth the stay or not. Yes, Lakshadweep is a bit expensive. There's no doubt on that. Maybe in the same price you may be able to visit Thailand or Vietnam. But it's India, and an appeal to the government of India to make it popular. Please reduce the prices a bit. Only then people will be able to visit this beautiful place. Make the rules, the paperwork a little less strict so that we can visit it comfortably. Getting the police clearance certificate, then the permit, all this is a lot of headache. Means when you're planning a trip, if you have to plan for so many things, then finally the trip getting deferred, especially if you're doing everything on your own without the help of agent, which was applicable in my case. I did everything on my own without the help of an agent. Of course, I got a lot of help from the resort. They got me the permit and everything. But still, like, you need to carry all these papers before you board the flight. Once you unboard, even when the day you leave, you have to show the permit again. So a lot of work. This particular dress, me and my friend, we had purchased together from Bali. But unfortunately, this dress continues to stay with me and I keep using it. And whenever I wear it, I remember of her. One thing is that in the washrooms, there are no geyser. None of the resorts have that because it's of the close proximity to the beach. They say the geyser, it gets ruined, so they don't keep it, and the weather is so that you'll not be requiring a geyser. And if you need hot water, they will provide that. There are also options of homestays here which are a bit cheaper. Of course, there is no generator backup there like as in the resorts, but you can also try that because it is a lovely experience where you get to try the local dishes like we got here. Out of the 6 days which we stayed there in Lakshadweep, 3 days we were lucky to taste the local cuisine. Like today is one such day where we got special fish curry, very thick fish curry, and the curry was made of a lot of vegetables, smashed vegetables to the best of my understanding, some watermelon as a sweet dish, and this was another curry, a vegetable curry, and this is another fish curry. So there are 2 fish curry, 1 vegetable curry. I hope you'll be able to relate that what kind of curries these are, and that's rice and papad. And finally, the main thing, celebration of my birthday. So they had kindly organized a candlelight dinner for me and my mother and gifted me this beautiful cake. It was very tasty, much tastier than the cakes, means branded cakes which I've tasted in Kolkata. I can honestly say I don't know who baked it, but it was really great, very tasty. So I'm thankful to the resort for arranging all this for me, and the food was also delicious, equally delicious. These candles are all mimics of candle. They are not original candles because of the windy situation. They have not given original candles, and it's also safer also, because there's no chance of getting burnt. And it's such a beautiful place. Like I was just watching that this is my cake here in this island. So like, thank you Turtle Nest Resort for this beautiful gift. And keep gifting yourself birthday trips. Enjoy your life and smiling so that you can make others smile. So yeah, till the next video, please stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy, and do subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in the next video. Take care, friends. Bye.